Yo, what's good, beautiful people? You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, a magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, ZN. I'm your host, P Fire, aka P Didn't Start the Fire, aka P's and Q's, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. Without further ado, let's just get into it. It's been a while. I'm back with a bang. Let's do this. Yeah, I'm just going off. Oh, come on, baby. What you gonna do? You know what I'm saying? Just give you a little twirlage. Alright, my beautiful people. Like I said, I'm back with a bang. Carlo's back with a bang. Today, I have this beautiful Stone Island. Let's have a quick cheeky look. Reflex mat. You see that? It's a Stone Island Reflex mat. And that means reflex material. And this is a special process piece. And as you know, these badges are when they do special materials, new processes, and so on. Alright, my people, let's get into the piece at hand. So what we have here is a Stone Island Reflex Matte jacket. Now let's start as we always start. The length is just past my waist, as you can see. So just there's my t-shirt right there, and there's the jacket just going past the old waistage, as we like to do. We start on the cuffs. On the cuffs you have this nice little button here, which allows you to fasten and taper your wrist. And as you know, we do like a bit of taperaging of the old wrist. And on said wrist you have these Stone Island buttons there, which are furnished in metal, iron or blood, I don't know, but let's get them in and we can see. There you go, Stone Island there. You have this taping around the wrist area there, as you can see, black bit of taping which goes all the way round. As you can see, the buttons open up there, and you have un, deux, trois. You don't have trois, you just have un, deux buttons which are able to fasten and taper the wrist. Let me step back, and of course on the other side, as we all know, equilibrium is a beautiful thing. Da 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 da. Same on one side, same on the other side. I'm just going to step back. Of course, it's in this nice sort of fetching blue material. Sometimes looks purple in the light, but yes, it's not. I'm just going to zip up now. Give it a little zip up. Just zip all the way up, and then we'll have a look. So we have un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq buttons. We have 5 buttons which are fasten buttons, as you can hear the clip as I speak. Clip, clip and clip. There you go. They fasten by these fasten buttons, as you can see right there. Boom. Nice and simple. Press, fasten, press, fasten. And you see it goes all the way up to the neck, the base of the neck, but not any further. I'm just gonna step out. Okay, you have left hand side, you have right hand side, and you have 2 pockets. And in these pockets you have enough room to keep a you can't put any houses in here, and you might be able to get a few coins of gold, but you won't be able to get bars. These are not exactly your most biggest pockets. They're quite nice, but they only keep your hands warm. No houses, no boats, no skis, no bars of gold. Just your average normal things then. Okay, these are also fastened down by clip buttons, and as you can see, like on the buttons up here, I will show you, they have these buttons. Nice black burnished in iron buttons which are now clipped. So at the top you have the same left hand side, right hand side, un, deux, 2 pockets, Door pocket. In here, once again, you can probably keep a mobile phone. I know it's against my religion to keep mobile phones in there. I normally like to keep much more exciting things, but to be honest, these pockets are literally your standard pockets. You know, they're not going to house anything other than the norm, so please bear that in mind. Okay, so this is actually a large, believe it or not. However, it comes up as a medium. So if you were looking to buy this Reflex mat, I normally wear a large, but this fits like a medium, so there's no room for that extra hoodie and that extra. You can wear a hoodie, but after that you're done. You know, I like to wear layers. You're definitely not layering up with this. Okay, inside you have this nice fleece like material, black. Nothing too special. Of course, you have the label right there, which tells you what is what and what does what. And as you can see, sorry, I'm trying to get this to focus while talking. As you can see, this is reflective fabric, water resistant and wind resistant. So what else do we have here? Of course, you have the nice zip strip with the 5 buttons. Like I said, you have the YKK zipper, like so. YKK zipper with that nice canvas zip pull right there to help you with the ease of pulling up your zip as it normally does. Of course, here, other side, you have your spare badge holder right there, undo, 2 buttons, and you have this nice Stone Island, is that woven? That's actually sewed on or embroidered on, and you've got a secret pocket, another pocket in here, which again is your standard fare, nothing too special. Now you're thinking, it's a special process jacket. Yes, it is. What's so special about the process on this? Well, the clue is in the name, and the name is Reflex Mat. So let's see if I can show you what the special is on the special. Let's see what we're doing here. Who lives in a house like this? Okay, let's have a quick gander. So my camera, as you can see, is busted, but I'm hoping that you will be able to do this. Let's see. Oh, can you see that, guys? Let's see. You saw that picture I just took there. Now let's have a look at that. You see that? You see the reflectiveness it gives you. So under the lights, under a flash, that's what the jacket looks like. That's what it looks like on a norm ski. On the norms. There you go. Blue. And then that's what it looks like once you fling the light on and you get a bit of reflective. So really dope piece. I got this piece off my guy Matt Silent, Mr. Matt Silent. Always a pleasure doing business with him. So I got this piece off him, and it's a piece that, you know, I wanted, and a really good price, nothing too crazy, and yeah, just really dope piece. You know, I could do with it being a little bit bigger, so an extra large might have been the one, but to be honest, white t-shirt, rock it like this, not too cold, not too wet, you're good to go. Like it's wind resistant and it's water resistant, so you can get away with a couple bits, but you're not going to wear it in the old crazy rain. Speaking of which, you know what we like to do here when we're up in the spot? We've got this really nice hood with this black cotton sort of shield, and of course you've got the hood right there. This, let me just zip this up for you so you can see. So that goes up like that, and of course you get the tappity tap. You're good to go, you're safe. You see this zips all the way up here. You've got this nice little pull thing right here to help you adjust. I'm guessing it's not on the other side, so equilibrium is not a beautiful thing. Oh yes it is, there you go. That helps you tighten up, as if life isn't tight enough. That helps you tighten up, so equilibrium is a beautiful thing. We'll step back because it's bloody hot, and yeah, that's the hood, guys. I hope you like what you see. Yeah, this has been a Stone Island Reflex matte, special process. And yeah, let me know what your thoughts are. Have you seen these before? Is it something you wanted to pick up? Do you like the idea of the special process stuff, you know, the little gimmicks as we like to call it? Because when will you need to be fully reflective? I don't know, but it's always nice to know that if you take a picture of your jacket, it doesn't look like it does in real life, but it looks like a light version. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what I'm saying, so if you do, you're better than me. But anyway guys, I'm waffling. Today I have my classic white t-shirt on. I have this nice sort of nylon Stone Island cap. It's actually a 2-in-1 cap. I will show you this at a later date. It's got the nice little ear fluffs right there, but it's actually a 2-in-1 cap. Yeah, so I'm not sure what you can see, but I'm hoping you can see the Stone Island, which is embroidered on there. Guys, it's been really good to do another one of these. It's been a while, so yeah, thank you for your patience, and yeah, it's been great. You already know what this is. This has been nice bit of kit that almost forgot. I've been your host P Fire, aka P Reflective, and this has been Once. We are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZM. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And of course, guys, make sure you look after yourself, stay safe, and as always, stay fly.